Happy New Year, guys! I'm a little surprised I picked up pig ears the other day. Like we've all been sleeping on these flappies, which are rich in collagen, iron, and protein. I decided to braise these ears for a more intense flavor. Let me show you how. So first, you wash them thoroughly, which I had done earlier. Then you place them in a pot of water with chopped onion, star anise, and ginger powder over medium heat. As it boils, flip them over until all sides look translucent or see-through. This will take about 15 minutes. Scoop off any curds which floats on top. Whilst it's cooking, chop garlic, fresh chili, and 1 onion and set aside. After 15 minutes, remove the ears and cut them into thin strips. Then chop up the larger pieces a bit. Add 1 tolo beef and a couple of star anise for an aromatic oil. Once the delicious aroma fills the air, add the sliced ear strips. Let it brown slightly and stir in 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and a sprinkle of salt. Then you pour a cup of water to cover the meat. Cover and let it simmer on medium heat until the liquid has reduced. It should look just like this. Just look at that gorgeous color. If you've been to Osu Night markets to buy domedo, you know how chiseled they are with the roasted pig ears. A whole delicacy. Honestly, you can eat it just like this, but I decided to make a stir fry, which you make by first sauteing the chopped garlic and chili in a bit of oil. Add the sliced onions and let that cook for 1 minute. Then add the braised pork and any greens you have on hand. I always have bok choy leaves, so that's what I added. And it's ready. They are soft and chewy with crunchy cartilage, which is gra gra. You know that sound that it makes? It's all gra gra in your mouth. It tastes just spectacular as the flavors have simmered in nicely during the braising process. It's savory, it's spicy, it's umami, perfect. My mom came by and I made her try it without telling her what meat it was. This was her reaction. But then she finished it and even asked for seconds. Would you try pig ears? Let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.